Sarah swims 10 laps of a swimming pool. To be able to find out how much distance she swims, we need to know the distance of each lap. If you do not know it, you can still represent the total distance she swims using a simple algebraic expression. So we're going to assume the length of the pool is L feet. So we've got our information up here. The length of the pool, L feet. L is our variable. The number of laps that Sarah swims is 10. And we want to find the total distance that Sarah swims. But since we don't know the length of the pool yet, we can't find an exact answer, but we can set up a simple algebraic expression. So if we are looking at total distance that Sarah swims, it is going to equal the length of the pool times the number of laps. So let's plug into this equation the information that we have for this problem and see what our simple algebraic expression looks like in this case. So we've got total distance equals the length of the pool. That's our unknown number. That is our variable, and we have assigned the letter L to represent the length of the pool. So I simply, at this point in time, am going to write my variable, my letter L here for length of pool, times, I never want to forget my operator, I want to make sure I know I'm doing a multiplication problem in this case, so times, and then the number of laps. In this case, the number of laps is a known number. We know that the number of laps that she swam is 10. So I can simply take this 10 and plug it in down here. And now I have a simple algebraic expression to represent the distance, the total distance, and I should probably write the word distance here so that I know that the total isn't a price or something like that. It's a total distance, and it equals L times 10. Now later, if you find out that the pool that Sarah is swimming in is 25 feet, for example, then we would simply plug in 25 in the place of the letter L. And we would say that the total distance she swam, if the pool was 25 feet in length, was 25 feet times 10, which equals 250 feet. And similarly then, if we found out that Sarah swam in a much larger or a much smaller pool, we would simply take the length of that pool that she swam in, place it here in place of the L, and multiply by 10.